Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is part 2 of my Sara Jessica Parker look. Okay, so I'm not trying to look like her. The reason I shared this in the other video. The reason that I'm doing this is because so many people say I look like her. So I'm going to do a look inspired by her. Okay, so I'm going to go in. I'm using caviar sticks and I'm going to use Forbidden Rose. And all I can tell you is just trust the process, okay? Because, and my eyes are already prepped by the way too, but just trust the process with this is all I can tell you, because you might be like, oh my God, girl, what are you doing? My lids are a little bit dry, so I got to be careful here when I'm doing this, so I don't. I'm gonna put a little bit more, like right up there. This color is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I definitely am doing more bolder looks lately. These are so easy to use. I love these. I love these. And since I started, she inspired me. Let me just tell you that. She inspired me because I am really getting out of my comfort zone and trying stuff I normally wouldn't. I remember when I got these colors and I was like, they're so pretty, but no. And then I'm like, you know what? Why? Why not? Let's just do it. Let's just have fun and create some fun looks. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, I want to go in with a color that's a little bit darker just on my outer corner here. Just want to do a little bit right here. This is the color Cocoa. And I am going to take my Refer brush number 12. I just want to keep it right here on the outside. I'm looking at my monitor too, because with the lights in here, it's like I get a lot of shadows. So that's why you guys see me looking at my monitor more too, because I can see what it really looks like compared to what it looks like. And I have a mirror in front of me, so I have like a couple different perspectives. And when you're at home, it's good to do that too. I know you don't have a monitor, but you want to have a mirror that's close up and far away, so you can get different perspectives of what it's going to, I see something up there, so what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go in with this eye and I'm going to do the same thing, just a little bit right there on that outer corner, and then I'm going to take that same brush and just keep it right there. It just gives a little bit more depth. Oh, got like a little hair. Take my Refer brush number 1. This is the one I used in the beginning, and again I'm just going over and just making sure that that is nice and blended out. Okay, so I'm going to go in now with Wild Rose. So pretty. This is going to brighten it up. I'm going to take my Refer brush number 2. I could use my finger, but I want to use a brush. How pretty that is. These are so pretty. Now I'm going to go in and take my Cocoa. I take Cocoa and I'm going to go right here, my lower. I'm going to take my BK Beauty. This is my smudge brush from BK Beauty. And I'm going to go right here on my lower lash line and smudge that out. I am going to take my Barbarella Brown and I'm going to go right in here, and I'm going to do I'm going to do that. I'm going really bold here. Now I'm going to take, this is what she does a lot, okay? That's why I'm doing the whole eye, because this is what she does. So I'm going to take this and put this right on my lower. And this is Wild Rose, right? Which one is this one? This is the one I put on my lid. This is Wild Rose, so I put some underneath there. And it seems like a lot, but I swear this is what she does. And I'm going to take my Fit Club Beauty brush, and I'm actually going to use that, just kind of sweep it. Like I said, normally I don't do this, but we're following what she does. And I actually want to put a little bit more of this on. I'm going to put a little bit more on of this shimmer. Okay, I need to put my mascara on and do my brows, and I will be right back. So this is my finished eye look. You guys have heard me talk about her caviar sticks for several years now. I love them. I love working with them. I did have a little bit of, you know, extra blending to do because I have some dry lid issues, but normally I don't have that. But you guys know I always keep it real with you guys, but I love her caviar sticks. This is very heavy for me. I'm trying to embrace it. If you look at pictures, I'm going to put a picture of her up here somewhere. You see her looks. She's very smoky, and she has a lot of this underneath here, which I normally, it's a big no for me. And I'm going to tell you this. It depends on what's going on underneath here. If you have eye bags or anything, you want to really be careful with this because it's going to draw more attention to that. I don't have that. I have that little tear trough, but when I conceal it, it looks pretty good. So I just wanted to share that. And I'm just trying to break out of, I'm trying to break out and trying to embrace a little bit more and do more eye looks like this. But here's the thing. I just don't want to look like I'm trying to be 20 because that's not my thing. The only reason I did this, and I've been doing this, is because she is my age. And I feel like if her makeup artist is doing this on her, I'm feeling like, okay, so then I should be able to do this. And I've had a lot of people tell me on, getting my caviar sticks. I've had a lot of people tell me on social media when I've shared more bold looks like this, people are saying, share more, share more. I want to see more looks like that. So I'm trying to break out of it. I'm going to try to do more. I just don't want to, I don't want to age myself either. I don't want to look, you know what I mean? And this isn't something I would do all the time. I still like to do simpler, really light, fresh looks too. I don't always have to do this. But I've done a lot of those. If you've watched me over the years, that's pretty much what I've done. So I'm trying to branch out and do some other a little bit more daring for me looks, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy that. So there's more coming. I have some, I didn't bring it in here and I thought I did, but I had a teal color that I just purchased from her from Laura Mercier. I can't wait to share with you guys. And you can even use these as a liner, so I might use it a little bit just like, I don't know. I'm just going to have fun with it, play with it, and then I'm going to share with you guys how to use these. I think these are so pretty, especially in mature eyes. I think these are really, really pretty because they're creamy, they're light, they're easy to work with. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I love this look. I think it's pretty. I hope that you enjoyed it too. Let me know. I'm not even wearing a necklace. I just noticed that. But anyways, let me know in the comments. Have you used her caviar sticks? Do you like them? Do you wear cream shadows? Let me know in the comments, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.